Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Disha Ankalkote from 3rd year of Computer Department of Zeal Polytechnic. I am here to present you all our group project which holds the title Study Any Case of Fake Profiling with my two more group members Vaishnavi Biradar and Sandeep Jagtap under the guidance of Sunita Gajre ma'am. So the abstraction of our project is: as there is a growing number of people who hold accounts on social media platforms but hide their identity for malicious purposes. Unfortunately, very little research has been done to date to detect fake identities created by humans, especially so on SMPs. The research discussed in this paper applies machine learning features to a set of fake human accounts in the hope of advancing the successful detection of fake identities created by humans on SMPs. Our project has been divided into 9 contents as the introduction, related work, spam detection, research on detection of fake identities, research results, conclusion and references. So, beginning with the first content, that is the introduction part. As identity deception is a major problem on social media platforms due to the continued growth of these platforms, cyber threats like spamming now emerge on social media platforms in different manifestations. Since the detection of fake identities is quite challenging, this vulnerability is greatly abused. Fake accounts can be either created by human, computer or cyborgs. Malicious intent of fake identities can be to change the actions of an individual or group, to change perceptions of an individual or group, to hide malicious activity of an individual or group, to spread malware, to steal credentials. Fake accounts can be attributed to following factors: privacy policies on SMPs not expecting person to reveal their true identity, the gamification of sites with more likes or followers indirectly meaning greater popularity and higher social ratings, the ease with which false accounts can be obtained. Now, the second content of our project is detection of fake identities in spam. In order to detect fake identities created by human and bots, we look towards past research addressing same problems such as spam behavior found in emails. Machine learning has been used to not only detect bots on SMPs but also their intent. Fake identities can be detected by detection of fake content linked to the accounts, investigating the account profile itself or using non-verbal indicators. Techniques for identifying bot accounts are: as previous research towards identifying spam behavior presented techniques like filtering rules and machine learning to detect fake identities. Filtering is mostly reactive only when a new threat is identified and verified. The sender will be added to blacklist in case of spam. It becomes really difficult when spammers use adaptive strategies to circumvent the proposed methods, but in case of SMPs, humans really adapt themselves to avoid detection. Some rules have been established to identify fake accounts, but in the case of SMPs, new words are generated constantly. More adaptive rules were proposed on SMPs by means of pattern matching. They failed to detect human accounts because human behavior is more random, thus hard to represent by means of rules. Supervised machine learning models for email spam detection, support vector machines, decision trees, Naive Bayes and neural networks were proposed. Models based on attributes describing identify of account and behavior such as time of day and frequency of message provide enough information to detect bots successfully. Unsupervised machine learning, it is based on clustering. The data are grouped based on similarity. It works well at identifying bot accounts, but fake human accounts are harder to be detected using this method. Reinforcement machine learning, this method successfully detects bot accounts, but this method requires feedback from the environment to adjust and improve. This is not really available in SMPs. Some of the engineered features are divided into 3 distinct groups: data describing the identity of the account, relationship of the account to others, behavior or messages of the account. Now, the next content of our project is research on detection of fake identities, finding deceptive accounts in Twitter. Data is mined, cleaned, stored and applied to supervised machine learning models, and the results are evaluated. Non-relational databases cater for the unstructured nature and vast volumes expected from mining. Only data related to identity was injected into a relational database. Supervised machine learning models were trained with clean data and results were written back to relational database. The results were lastly visualized and compared to determine whether features engineered to detect bots can also be used to detect human accounts. To detect human fake accounts, different research steps were executed to discover deceptive accounts. To discover such deceptive accounts, we followed the research steps in the below figure. Gather and clean data, create fictitious accounts, validate data, inject fictitious accounts, create new features, supervise machine learning, and evaluate results. The next content of a project is research results. Support vector machine and random forest were the model. 68.5% was the accuracy of support vector machine, while 87.11% was of random forest. F1 score of support vector machine was 32.16%, while random forest was 49.75%, while the precision recall area under curve of support vector machine was 27.76% and random forest was of 49.90%. The next content of our project is conclusion. Human accounts and bot accounts have similar attributes and also share same characteristics. Engineered features created to detect bot accounts can be applied to existing corpus of human accounts, but they are not as successful as they are in detecting bot accounts. The machine learning models were trained to use engineered features without relying on behavioral data. This made it possible for these machine learning models to be trained on very little data compared to when behavioral data is included. Findings indicate that engineered features used to detect fake bot accounts as best predicted human accounts with F1 score 49.75%. So yeah, that's all about our project. Grateful for your attention. Thank you.